In a significant political development in the Indian state of Maharashtra, estranged cousins Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray are set to join hands today in a show of unity for Marathi pride. The Maharashtra Nav Nirman Sena or MNS and Shiv Sena UBT are holding a mega rally in Worli, Mumbai to celebrate the state government's decision to scrap three-language policy that included Hindi as a mandatory subject in schools from class 1. The rally, titled Marathi Vijay Melava or Marathi Victory Rally, is expected to draw massive crowds as supporters from both parties gather to show their solidarity on the Marathi language issue. Both parties claim that the state government was forced to take the action after they threatened to protest against imposition of Hindi language. The joint appearance marks a historic moment. Political analysts say it could be a turning point. The reunion is being seen as a strategic move ahead of the local polls, particularly in the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation or the BMC elections to be held later this year. Political analysts believe that if they come together for the polls, they could consolidate Marathi votes, impacting the BJP's calculations. Both cousins, who were earlier leaders of the Shiv Sena party, have decided to put aside past differences to unite for Marathi language. Their strained relationship began after Raj Thackeray's exit from Shiv Sena in 2006, largely due to succession issues and divergent ideologies. As they take the stage together once again, the cousins are once again baking on Marathi identity and fight against Hindi imposition to reclaim their political space after their poor performance in the assembly elections. Many question if this alliance will have a lasting impact on Maharashtrian politics. And for the latest, our principal correspondent Disha Shah has sent us this report from Mumbai.
Well, this is a significant political development here taking place in Maharashtra, as after 20 long years, we will be seeing the Thackeray brothers, Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray, coming together and sharing one stage today to celebrate the Marathi language and the cultural. And as you can see, for the celebration, the entire event, the entire auditorium is totally decked up. As you can see, the quote which is written in Marathi, Avaz Marathachi, which essentially means that the celebration victory today is for the Marathi unity, for the celebrating the Marathi culture. Remember, today's event, as both the political leaders have claimed, it is not a political gathering, but it is an event which they are celebrating because the government here in concern have rolled back the Hindi language, which essentially was made compulsory in primary school. So that withdrawal of the proposal in itself is a big victory for both the leaders, and that is why they are sharing the stage together. You can see that people have already started coming in, the followers especially of Uddhav Thackeray, Raj Thackeray, in huge numbers. Not only important leaders or significant key people will gather, but you can see that people from across the state have gathered here. They are chanting slogans like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Ki Jai, and they have called every person here to come and participate in huge numbers. This entire auditorium has a capacity of 7,000 to 8,000 people, and slowly people have started gathering for the grand event, which will take place in a couple of hours from now. What another point we understand, that this is the very first time that the Thackeray brothers are coming together after 20 long years. So definitely in the future there are also speculations that both of them will come together to fight the BMC elections, which is Mumbai's richest elections that is scheduled to take place by end of this year. So this might also change the political landscape altogether. On the other side, the preparations are in the full swing. The security is completely tightened here, not only outside the venue but across about 2-kilometer radius here. And even in few corners of the city specifically, there have been LED screens that have been put up where even the people who are traveling or waiting at the signal can watch the event live. So this is the call for unity. This is the call for Marathi culture to celebrate here in Maharashtra. With video journalist Siddesh, this is Isha Shah reporting here for WION from Mumbai.